guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you the piece of equipment that's going to change the quality of your images. And whether you're taking your photos with your mobile or a vlogging camera or a DSLR, this is very lightweight. You don't need any electricity. It's just super easy to use. Are you ready? Can you guess what it is? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. This is called a reflector. Can you see that? It bounces the light. Okay, it's super easy. This is 5 surfaces, so let me just unwrap it. Just real quickly. Really quickly. Super easy. Today would be good.
This is easier. Okay, so this is what all the different surfaces look like. Their colors. There's white, black, gold, silver, and one which is a diffuser. So it looks white, but it's half see-through. And then you've got this version which has 8 colored surfaces, which has the original colors of the first one that I showed you, but it also has blue and green if you want to do something like a green screen.
But today I have a model and I also have an assistant photographer. Let's get our model in and let's get our assistant photographer in. Ready? This is our beautiful model. Before we get started, let me tell you, generally you want to use a reflector when you need to compensate for light. Let's say the face is a little bit dark, you have sun coming from somewhere else, and you want to just light up one side of the face. At the moment, the light is coming from Gemma's right side. That's where the sun is. And what we want to do is we want to light this side of the face. So what we're going to do then, we're going to try to reflect the light, the sunlight which is coming from over there, bounce it off here to then go and touch Gemma's face over here.
First, let me show you what it looks like to use the silver surface.
Oh, there it is. I think this is your best spot. So stay here. I want one more. 1, 2. Now let's bring in the silver light. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's amazing.
The photo on the left is where we did not use a reflector, and the photo on the right is where we did use a reflector. Do you notice the difference? The one on the right's a little bit brighter.
Something like, yes, hot. Love it.
Yeah, that's going to show the light.
Hot. 1, 2. Hold that. 1, 2. Ready? Yeah, awesome. Can you lift it a little bit? Yeah, a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Hold that. Chin down slightly, so slightly. 1, 2. Good. Relax the hands a little bit. Yeah, nice. Can you do one which is just one hand? Yeah. Amazing. Hold that. Hold that. And then drop the shade for me. Thank you. Oh my God, one.
Got it with the silver.
Oh, wow. So different.
The shot on the left is where we did not use a reflector, and the shot on the right is where we did use a reflector. I personally like the look of both of these shots. It really just depends on the look that you're going for, but this demonstrates the difference between having bounced light versus not having bounced light. Now let me show you the gold side.
Now we're going to throw on the gold side. Did you see that difference? No reflector? And now let's bounce some light off. 1, 2. Yeah, nice. Nice.
The one on the left is where we used no reflector, and the one on the right is where we used the gold side of the reflector. Notice how, in comparison to the other before and afters, the photo on the right is a little bit more golden, because using the gold reflector naturally casts more yellow gold tones against anything that it's bounced off. Now onto my favorite, the white side.
Now bouncing the white, bouncing the light with the white. Oh, nice. Beautiful. 1, 2.
The one on the left uses no reflector, and the one on the right uses the white side. The white is my favorite because it's a neutral color, but also it doesn't cast shine, so it's quite a soft look.
It's really important to have a source of light to be able to bounce off the reflector. If there is no sun at all whatsoever, let's say it's a very gray sky, this is when I'd take out my external flash out here and then rotate the head to bounce off the reflector. I very rarely ever do that, because generally the reflector, gold side, silver side, white side, they're generally bright enough to bounce some sort of light. However, if I wanted something that was a bit bolder or harsher, that's when I'd whip out my flash. We have one more surface to show you, and that's the silver with the gold zigzag. So it's kind of a mix with the metallics. The effect is very similar to the silver reflector with a touch of warmth coming from the gold zigzag. Can you do a side view, side angle? So turn to your good side facing the camera, and then that way you can bounce the light off her hair and her cheeks. Yes, amazing. That's nice. Look down like that. Okay.
Off and on, okay?
Yep. Hold that. 1, 2. Smile. Chin down for me. Yeah, hot. Amazing. Hold that. Yeah, nice. Hold that. 1, 2.
In this before and after, you'll be able to see how we use the reflector with the silver and gold zigzags to lighten up the side of Gemma's face, which is covered by her hair.
I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any comments or questions, pop them in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give me a like. If you want to see more tutorials like this, where we show you a few tips and tricks around, creating your own content, photographing your own content, and keeping your kit nice and lean. So, if you're a travel blogger or a lifestyle blogger and generally it's just you taking your own photos or maybe one other person helping you, if that's the kind of thing that you're into, give me a like. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. I'll speak to you guys in the next video.